Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about how I used FindInMap in AWS Cloudformation. So my use case was that I have a parameter which is environment. I want to run this CloudFormation in either dev or QA. But then based on this environment, I want to have different value for my Dynamo table prefix. And when I am writing a role that has some policy and I want to give the permission to access a specific table, based on that environment, I want the name of the table to have different prefix. So as you can see, I defined the mappings here. So if you can see, I just give the environments properties, and one of them being is dev, one of them QA, and based on that, this table prefix has two different value, which you can have any value here. So you can create your resource like this. I mean, I'm not talking about the detail of the resource for sure. I just want to show you how I use this FindInMap here. For example, for the resource, it can be a list, right? And I wanted it to be a list because I wanted to give access to two tables. So what I did is I'm using sub because I wanted to kind of concatenate the strings together. So this is the ARN of the table, and as you can see, I added this variable prefix here, and then in the next line, as you can see, there is indentation here. I defined a prefix that is a variable here, and then I'm using this FindInMap syntax, and I'm saying, okay, go to the environments and find the value of environment for me, because the environment is a parameter. I just reference it like this. I'm saying, okay, if it is this environment, for example, if you run with the dev, it would be dev. It goes and grab this dev and go find this variable name table prefix here. So again, this ref environment will be interpreted as the environment parameter that you give when you run your CloudFormation, and from the environments it finds that value, and then whatever value you give here, it should be matched with the name here, table prefix here, table prefix here, and then we have value variable here and the variable defined here. And the same goes for the second item in the resource. We have this prefix, and then table prefix for the, for example, if we run QA, it would be QA. But I ran the CloudFormation with one time with dev as a value for the environment, and one time QA. And for the dev, this is what I have. As you can see, it is creating an array for the resource, and it is interpreting the prefix to dev value for the dev, and then for the QA, it is interpreting the value to the QA value. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching.